Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Tableau to publish data sources to Tableau Server step by step clearly. Open Tableau desktop and ensure it is installed on your machine. Navigate to the top menu and click on Server. Select Sign In from the drop-down. Enter the Tableau Server URL in the dialog box. Input your username and password for authentication. Click Sign In to connect to the server. Once signed in, create or open the data source you wish to publish. Verify that the data source is ready for publishing by checking for any errors or issues. Go to the Server menu again and select Publish Data Source. In the Publish dialog that appears, choose whether you want to publish the data source to the current project or a specific one. If needed, adjust the project field to your desired location on the Tableau server. Review and confirm the data source name displayed in the dialog. Select the options for your data source, such as whether to update data extracts or configure permissions. Click the Publish button to start the process. Monitor the progress as Tableau uploads your data source to the server. Once the upload is complete, you will see a confirmation message indicating the successful publishing of your data source. To verify, log into your Tableau server and navigate to the chosen project to see your published data source. Your data source is now authorized and accessible for use on Tableau server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.